This is how you prepare for the Raptors game tonight. I thought I'd seen my better days, but hell no. I'm going back there. Ooh, thank you, ate.
Kick off, hit play, come on, let's go! Toasty Boy Adventures on your screen and a glove. Watch and spoil the channel, you see the fun unfold. Food trips, travel, and mission stories getting told. Toasty Boy Adventures, the death roll. See what adventures you found today. From tasty bites to the waves that roll. Toasty Boy Adventures, let's go!
Hello mga kalagalag, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Nandito po kami sa Mississauga train station. At pupunta kami ng Toronto dahil manonood po kami ng game na po ng Raptors basketball. Raptors versus the Timberwolves, Minnesota Timberwolves. Martili po kayo sumusubaybay. Samahan niyo po ako.
Okay.
Bep.
Well, you stay with the over.
Pasok na po tayo sa kaya ng tren, sa estasyon ng tren.
Platform 3.
Nandito po kami ngayon sa Mississauga at papunta po tayo ng Toronto sa Scotiabank Arena. Doon po tayo manonood ng basketball. Ayun po yung mga kasama ko. Si Rejan, parin pa ako, saka si Luis. Hello, hello.
Attention passengers, this
Ito po yung load ng train.
Long Branch go. Due to platform restrictions, not all doors on the train will open at Long Branch. Please take a look around if you're on coaches 4200, 4080,
Tara, biyahe na tayo, papunta ng Toronto.
40.
Ito na mga kalagalag. Nasa loob na tayo ng arena. Loob tayo ng basketball. Sa kasalukuyan po, lamang po ang Raptors na 3 points against Minnesota Timberwolves. And it's the first quarter. First quarter pa lang po. Ito mga kalagalag, halfway intermission po tayo. Nice! Yeah! Sayang, hindi sinaksak oh. Here it comes! So we lost.
But we got this mask.
We got this mask though.
We're unbeatable now.
Boo!
Okay. Here, take a picture. Selfie. 1, 2, 3. Look at this.
Ito po mga kalagalag, pauwi na kami. Nandito na uli kami sa train station. Balik na kami ng Mississauga muna. Tapos kukunin namin yung sasakyan namin. Tapos balik na kami sa Brampton. Well, at least we got one winner tonight. This guy here. That's not bad, eh? But if you want to look on the bright side, we got one winner tonight. This guy here.
Right? And we're both rooting for Timberwolves.
Dito na tayo mga kalagalag. Pauwi na po tayo. Nabangan po natin yung ating tren. Ayan, paparating na po. Sasakay tayo dyan. Daming tren na bumibiyahe rito. Oh. Ayun na, dyan tayo sasakay mga igan. So, tara na mga kalagalag. Sakay na tayo.